Guys, just like I promised you, I'm going to take your tummy around the world. So now let's go to the Philippines. Here is the Filipino dessert. It's a Maja Blanca. It's very easy to make and it's very yummy. Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making Maja Blanca. It's a Filipino dessert. It's made of coconut milk, cream-style corn, whole kernel corn, evap milk, and condensed milk, as well as the cornstarch. Okay, it's very delicious. Let's make it. Okay, these are the ingredients that we're going to need for the Maja Blanca. This is 3.5 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of cornstarch or corn flour, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of cream-style corn, and 1 can of whole kernel corn, and a cheddar cheese. So, for my recipe, I'm not going to add sugar because I am trying to control the sugar or reduce the sugar in my diet. However, if you like to add sugar in your recipe, you may add 1 cup of sugar for this recipe. Now, we are heating the pan and then we're going to add half of this coconut milk because we're going to need half later on. So just half of the coconut milk is there. Okay, bring it to a boil. You may add this cream-style corn as well. Add all the evaporated milk. Add the condensed milk. That's why I'm not adding any sugar because the condensed milk will make it sweet. And while waiting, we are going to mix the 1 cup of cornstarch to the remaining of the coconut milk. So while it's boiling, reduce the heat and add this coconut milk and cornstarch mixture. Make sure you stir it. This will make it thick. This is your Maja Blanca. Guys, this is how much I made on that recipe. 3 llanera, tapos ito, and 2 microwavable. And we're going to grate some cheese on top. So we're going to grate some cheese. I use craft cheddar cheese for this garnish. This powdered happy house as well for added creaminess. Since I have it, so I'll put it. The happy house recipes. I hope you like this recipe. This doesn't have sugar, but it's sweet enough because of the condensed milk. And if you do like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button down below. Thank you and stay safe till our next recipe.